In step 1, mount the rod antenna to the antenna sensor network connection and the magnetic base antenna to the antenna LTE connection of the KSB Guard gateway. In step 2, connect the KSB Guard gateway to a shockproof socket using the supplied mains power cable. Ensure that the magnetic base antenna is positioned in a location with sufficient signal strength. If there is a poor signal connection, the magnetic base antenna must be positioned at a location with sufficient signal strength. Now measure the signal strength of the mobile data connection. Wait until at least 2 level LEDs light up. Observe the information in the installation operating manual on positioning the KSB Guard sensor unit. Clean the relevant area with one of the alcohol pads supplied. Attach the KSB Guard sensor unit to the pump and glue it in place. The integrated magnets facilitate positioning the KSB Guard sensor unit. Connect the connecting cable of the KSB Guard sensor unit to the KSB Guard transmission and battery unit. Press and hold the push button on the KSB Guard transmission and battery unit for 1 to 2 seconds until status LEDs A and B light up. The KSB Guard transmission and battery unit can be freely positioned on the level surface. Clean the relevant area with one of the alcohol pads supplied and glue on the KSB Guard transmission and battery unit using the adhesive pads supplied. Use the fixing elements and cable ties supplied to affix the cables. After logging on to our KSB Guard Web Portal or KSB Guard app with your user data, you can link the installed KSB Guard to the pump.